Hi guys, welcome back to Taking Me Back. This is Parikshit here, back again with the new video. And in the continuation of the Linux Essential series, this is the fifth video of this series, and in this video we are going to look into the enumeration of the Linux system, where by using the different commands we will see how to find the system username, current logged in user, what is the host name of the system, and we will see what are the groups that are there inside the system, and we will see about the CPU information of the system, and we will also see how we can get the kernel information of the Linux system. Alright, so let's start it. So first of all, we have here is who command, which will display you the current logged in user. Okay, so as you can see here, currently logged in user is root. You can also type who am I, and it will also give you the user which is currently using this terminal. Alright, so this way you can check it out, the currently logged in user of the system. You can also check the host name by using a host name command, and you will see Kali is the host name of this Linux system. And next we have here is the ID command, which will display you the user ID number of the currently logged in user. So user ID for the root is 0 here, as you can see. The group ID is also 0, and the group name is also the root, and user ID is also the root. So now next, if you want to change the host name of your Kali Linux machine, so you can check your host name by using the etc and a host name file. So it will display you this is your host name, which is Kali. Now suppose if you want to change your host name, so just type vim, which will go to the vi editor, and here you give this particular path host name, and then you can see that you can change it from here by pressing the I button, and then you can edit and you can type anything over here. So I'll just keep it as it is. Alright, so I want to quit it without saving, so escape, and you have to do colon quit interactively, and I'm out now. So if you see, the content is same because I haven't changed the host name of the Kali Linux system here. Alright, so this way you can change the host name of Kali Linux system. So next we have here is a group. So how you will find out what is the group name for any particular user, so just you have to type is groups and the username which is currently logged in, or any user, so let's say root, and you can see the root user is belong to the root group. Similarly, you can also check it for any other user, like suppose I'm checking for Parikshit user, so you can see that Parikshit user is a part of group Parikshit CD-ROM, floppy, and sudo, audio, DIP, video, PL, so all this group it belongs to. So this is the way you can find out any user which group it belongs to. Now I will show you how you will find the distributor information of this system. So there are a few commands like lsb, release, and -a, so it will show you all information about this release, and you can see that the distributor ID is Kali, description is Kali GNU, Kali rolling, Linux rolling, and release is 2020.01, 2020.1, and the code name is Kali rolling. You can also get this information by using this file. Okay, so etc and issue, this will also provide you the information about your Kali Linux machine. And next we have here is the etc or OS release file, and it will also display you the complete information about this OS, like what is the version ID, what is the version, and what is the version code name. And again you can find out here the further more information about this system. You can find the home URL, support URL, and bug report URL. Okay, so next we have here is etc and star release. So this will also give you the same information which we got using our etc os release command. Alright, so this way you can find out about operating system release information. I'll clear the terminal, and next we will see how we will check the CPU information. So ls CPU, and this will display you the complete information about the CPU architecture. So you can see that the architecture, the CPU operation mode, byte order, address size, which is a 42-bit physical and 48-bit virtual. Alright, so you can also check how many number of CPUs are there, and online CPU list. You can also check the thread per core, and again you can find different information over here. So you can just check it out what exactly it is. You can also find here the L1D cache, L1I cache, L2 cache, L3 cache, and you can find their sizes over here. Alright, so this way you can check about the CPU information into your Linux system. And next we will see how you will check about the kernel information of your Linux system. So there is a command that is uname, and if you type a uname, it will show you the name of the system. You can also check what are the other options that are there along with uname. So you can check the kernel name by using -s. You can check the node by using -n, kernel release by using -r, and you can also check the different parameters are there by using which you can find the different information. So like suppose if I want to check the kernel name, so I would say -s and it will give me the kernel name. It's Linux. And if I want to check the node name, so it is the -n, so node name is Kali. And now if I want to check what is the kernel release, so I would say -r and it will give me the kernel release information. Now if you just want to see all the information in one command, so you just type -a and it will give you all the information by using this parameter. Alright guys, so this is the way that you can find out your kernel release number, your kernel release version. You can also check your CPU information, you can check your OS distribution and operating system information. You can check about the users which are currently logged in, what's their group, and all this information that you can check it by using this command. And now if you want to see all this documentation theoretically, so you can check it out to my blog over here. Here I will be posting all my documentation along with the video, so you can just check it out here. You can just click on any of the posts and you will see all the documentation that I have made, and you will also find the video over here. You can also find here lots of other hacking tutorials and you can just check it out over there. Alright guys, so this is about it. I hope you understood this and it was helpful for you. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and if you have not subscribed my channel yet, so please do subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so that you will not miss the next videos that are going to come. So I will meet you in the next video with some other interesting topic in the continuation of the Linux Essentials series. So till then, have a great day and bye bye.